everyone, welcome to the channel. So in this video today, I'm going to show you how to set up and use SCRCPY with just audio only. So to begin, we're just going to go into Start menu and type Folder Options. So that will bring up this menu here. We're just going to go into that and then change to the View tab here. Make sure that Hide Extensions for Known File Types is unticked, then click OK. This will allow us to go into the File Explorer and make some changes to text and BAT files. So once you've done that, open File Explorer, go to the location that you have SCRCPY saved. So for me, it's this folder here. So as you can see, we can now see the extensions for files, so exe, BAT, VBS. So now we know what we're doing. So right click in this folder, go to New and create a new text document. You can call this something like SCRCPY audio only. Now here change the txt to .bat, accept the change. Now that we have our file for audio only, we're just going to go find it, right click on it and go edit. Now in this little new text document in Notepad, we're going to copy and paste the following. So SCRCPY space -- no - video. So that will disable the video and give us an audio only option. So we can file save to save that, close out, minimize that, and we'll close our version of SCRCPY here. Go back over and now use our audio only version. That's all there is to it. So as you can see, there's no video going to pop up. You're just going to have the command window, which you can minimize, and that's going to play audio straight from your phone to your computer without any of the video components. Now you can also do similar things with commands. So if you are interested in that, check out our SCRCPY guide linked below, and you'll find plenty of other options. Anyway, that wraps up this video. As always, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one. Cheers, everyone.